Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Ajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. In a world where work flexibility is rapidly becoming the norm, the concept of remote jobs has evolved, especially in the realm of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to revolutionize industries globally, more and more companies are embracing the potential of remote teams, offering exciting career opportunities that allows professionals to contribute from anywhere in the world. Global tech giants are leading the charge, creating roles that not only demand top tier expertise but also offer the flexibility to work from the comfort of your home or any place of your choosing. Dear friends, whether you are an AI enthusiast looking into break into the field or a seasoned professionals exploring remote career paths, today's video is dedicated to highlight some of the most innovative remote AI job roles that are shaping the future of the work. According to the Forbes, these role represents some of the most sought out after future focused positions that combine the power of AI with the convenience of remote work. Let's explore this incredible opportunity and see how you can be part of this exciting AI-driven revolution. The first one, remote AI advisor specialist. A cutting-edge role as businesses increasing adopt AI technology, remote AI advisor specialists play a crucial role in guiding organizations through the process of integrating AI solutions. These specialists work closely with companies to provide expert advice on AI strategy, helping them choosing the right technologies, implement solutions, and optimize processes. With remote capabilities, these professionals can provide consultations to business around the world. This role not only allows you to tap into your AI knowledge, but also offers the flexibility of working with clients globally without leaving your home office. Next, remote AI artist engineering. Blending creativity and AI. AI is not just about data and algorithm, it also about creativity. Remote AI artist engineers combine artistic vision with machine learning models to create stunning visuals, interactive art, and even AI-driven entertainment experiences. This role involves developing and refining AI algorithms that enhance creative processes, making it a perfect fit for those who are both tech-savvy and artistically inclined. With the ability to work remotely, AI artist engineer can collaborate with artists and designers globally to push the boundaries of digital creativity. Next, remote AI solution analyst. Crafting the perfect AI strategy. Remote AI solution analyst focuses on assessing business needs and recommending AI-driven solutions to solve specific challenges. This analyst analyze data, identify potential AI applications, and work closely with teams to design and implement AI strategies. Their ability to work remotely allows them to advise and collaborate with businesses from all over the world. This role provides the opportunity to shape AI strategies that can have a transformative impact on industries ranging from healthcare to retail. Next, remote AI compliance manager, ensuring ethical AI use. AI technologies are rapidly evolving And with this progress comes the need for ethical and legal oversight. Remote AI compliance managers ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed in compliance with laws, regulations, and ethical standards. They play an essential role in maintain accountability, transparency, and fairness in AI solutions. By working remotely, they can ensure that companies worldwide are adhering to the latest AI regulations and ethical guidance, critical in today's fast-paced technological landscape. Next, remote AI prompt engineer, the bridge between humans and AI. So remote AI prompt engineers create and refine the inputs that guide AI models, ensuring that they provide the most relevant and accurate outputs. These engineers act as intermediaries between human users and AI models, so helping AI system better understand context and produce high quality results. The role has gained significant tractions in the age of generative AI, where crafting precise prompts is key to unlocking the potential of AI models like GPT. As remote workers, AI prompt engineers have the flexibility to collaborate with global teams and contribute to the growing demand for high quality AI interactions. Next, remote AI consultant, offering expertise across borders. AI consultants work with businesses to help them identify opportunities for AI implementation and optimize existing systems. These consultants bring deep knowledge of artificial intelligence technologies and business processes, guiding companies toward effective AI strategies. So the flexibility of working remotely allows AI consultants to advise clients around the world, offering solutions tailored to each business unique needs. In this role, you will be at the forefront of AI innovation, helping companies navigate the complexities of AI adoptions. Next, remote AI instructor, shaping the future of AI talent. So the demand of AI education is booming, and remote AI instructors are stepping in to fill this gap by providing high quality training to individuals and teams. These instructors teach everything from the basics of machine learning to advanced AI techniques, helping learners gain the knowledge they need to succeed in the field. With the ability to teach remotely, AI instructors can reach a global audience and inspire the next generation of AI professionals. Dear friends, as we have seen today, the world of remote AI job is not only diverse and exciting, but also full of potential. These innovative roles are helping to bridge the gap between technology and human creativity, all while offering professionals the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. Whether you are an AI expert or someone looking to transition into the field, there has never been a better time to explore these remote career opportunities. From AI consulting to ethical oversight and creative roles, the future of AI work is here, and it's remote. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn about more AI career and trends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel Demystify with Ajay. Click the bell icon to get notified about the latest insights, tips and career opportunity in the world of AI. Remember, Whether you are working from home or anywhere in the world, the future is AI driven. Let's continue to explore the innovative together. Thank you. Happy learning.